Okay, I didn't get to film the rest of my makeup, but it's pretty much kind of what I always do. Nothing really exciting, but my lips, loving. Look at that gloss. I put on the Acoin medium 2 lip liner, Moka Chic lipstick from L'Oreal, and then this Chiara Fiangi, I don't know how to say her name. It's a collab with Lancome. I don't know what it is. It's like a lip gloss kind of stain in 1997. This is the final look. I'll show you my outfit in the mirror over here. So we have this top from ASOS. My favorite, is it Misguided or Pretty Little Thing? I think they're Misguided white denim culottes and Zara clear 2-strap heels. My earrings, you guys always ask, they're from Oliver Bonus, but they're kind of old, so I don't know if they'll be in store, but they're just basic hoops. But yeah, this is my look for the Urban Decay event. Normally these kinds of events, especially when they're in the South, I don't really know as many people, so I get a little intimidated, and I'm pretty good at mingling, but it kind of depends on the person the group I'm mingling with, if they want to continue the conversation. So I actually met a bunch of really lovely girls that I was just chatting to, and they're actually going to the event that I'm going to tomorrow night, so that was really nice and just kind of made me feel like reassured. And then I actually wanted to just say a quick hi to a girl that I follow on Instagram, and I love her style and I just think she's amazing, so I just said a quick hi, and then we ended up chatting lots, and then a group formed and we just sat for 2 hours and just had a drink and just chatted, and it was so fun, so full of laughter, and I genuinely had such a good time. And they had deep fried chicken with buffalo hot sauce dip. It was so good. But the point of the event was for a new, I'm gonna move up, foundation and concealer. It's the Stay Naked foundation. Is that better? Is that better? So they had their global ambassador makeup artist, Danielle. I met her when I used to work for the brand. So she remembered me, which is really kind. She's amazing, she's really talented. She matched me to 5N, which is a neutral color, which I am a neutral shade, so bravo. 5 warm, I believe, medium. They have over 50 shades, so oh my gosh, there's a shade for everyone. There's so many shades. In the concealer, and it's a correcting concealer up to 24-hour wear, so I'm gonna test this out tomorrow. This is a weightless liquid foundation up to 24-hour wear. Very excited to try. And then I also put in this little lip chemistry lasting glassy tint, and it's in the shade Pink Slip. Totally up my street, so I'm gonna try it on. It's like a little doe foot applicator. I need a mirror. Hold it. Ooh, very baby doll colored. I feel like that's gonna be it from me tonight. I'm tired. I'm gonna edit some stuff, have a little FaceTime with Patty, and then I'll see you bright in the morning. Bright in the morning. Bright and early in the morning. Good morning, everyone. That was 3 octaves lower than my normal voice. It's a beautiful day today. Gorgeous day. I didn't really pack for daytime in the way where I'm here for 2 events, so I've packed my event outfits and then my travel outfit, which is leggings and a sweater for driving, because it's a 3.5-hour drive for me. And then I woke up this morning and was can't really wear a sweater. It's 20 today, and don't want to wear my event outfit all day with heels and a mini dress. So I'm gonna go for a walk and find a store, because everything's summer sale at the moment. So also, I think I found a new favorite face tan. I never put whatever I put on my body on my face. I am wearing Bella Miata Crystal something. It's a clear one anyway, so it was a little intimidating putting it on because there's no color guide. Pros with it though, Well, first of all, I'm so tan, and I had never used it before, so I was a little like, ooh, is it gonna work? Because the event I'm going to tonight is for Bella Mianta, and Moira from Love Island is gonna be there, and I'm so excited to meet her. She's so good. So obviously you go really dark. I left it on overnight, but because it's clear, there's no color to go on your sheets. I went for a run in the morning without even washing it off, and it wasn't even on my sports bra. So massive fan, I'm loving it. But my face is bronze base by an Irish girl, Amy Connolly. She has a makeup line, and then she came out with this like bronze drops, but I put it on last night, like 3 drops. I love it, and it didn't break me out, which so excited, because you guys know I always use the Garnier Soleil Ombre, but you guys in North America can't get it, so hopefully you can get this one. I'm gonna do my makeup, although I don't want to put the new Urban Decay foundation on because it's like full coverage, and I just want something light during the day. It's only 8 and my event's not until 6:30. So, BareMinerals. Hopefully this matches me since putting face tan on. It's not too bad. I feel like the camera's showing me a lot darker than I am. One sec. It's a bit better. Yeah, so it's a little bit light for everything else on my body, but a little bit of bronzer will bring me back down. Up. So ever since I got the dermaplaning before Canada, my skin freaked out after that. Like everything came to the surface, and slowly it's going down, but it was awful for like 3 weeks there. Like it just, nothing was settling it. Cheers, alarm, perfect timing. So now it's just like a couple little spots are left. None of them are active. They're all like in the dying phase or scarring phase, which is annoying because I don't even touch them and they still scar. I think for my skin type, I would never get it again because I feel like it traumatized me and traumatized my skin. But I talked to a couple of people like around my age, so I'm 28 in a couple of weeks, so 25 to 35 I would say, and it's broken them all out too. But then like my mom's age group, around like 50 to 65, like they loved it. So I don't know, maybe it's just a personal preference thing, but I know if you have acne prone oily skin, probably recommend not getting it, but that's just based off of what happened to me, because I will not be getting it again, but that's just personal preference. This is the Benefit Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation in 3. Again, probably just a little too light, but nothing bronzer won't fix. Just gonna buff it into the lower half because I prefer it to be a bit lighter anyways for contrast. This bronzer has been a favorite since I've received it when I came back from Canada. It was in my mailbox, so 3 weeks ago. Absolutely adore it. It's a new BareMinerals one, so Clean Beauty, and it's in the color Warmth. Absolutely love it. I feel like the smell though is a little off-putting. It smells like fake tan, like, you know, that universal fake tan smell. It has that smell. I don't know why. I don't think it tans my skin like it's a powder. Oh, my back is really hurting. I'm gonna have to sit like this for like a hot sec. I have the worst posture ever, you guys. Everything about it I love except for the smell. The smell just not my favorite. Thankfully it doesn't linger, but I don't really get that it has that smell. Current favorite mascara, the Heimish one. It's a Korean beauty brand. Just love it. It's not like massively, you know, voluminous, but it just separates my lashes. It doesn't smudge at all. It doesn't flake. It's just, you know, a great everyday mascara. I'm just gonna do a little quick run through because I really don't care. I'm gonna be taking this all off to do my evening glam, which I think I'll film for you anyways because might as well. Blush. What will I wear for blush? Oh, for Island Time. Such gorgeous colors. My back. I'm just gonna mix all of them, to be fair. Don't even care. For lips, I am going to, oh my gosh. I was like, oh my goodness, they put an E on it for me. That's so personalized. No, it's just Vice. This is Mackerel, surprise. Pink Slip Stay Naked Vice Lip Chemistry. It's a mouthful, but it is really pretty. It's like a stain, or like a lilac-y pink. Oh, I feel like it's changing colors. That is so me. It goes on like lighter and then it just like, and it just like fades into a gorgeous, deeper color. So that is me every day Honestly, that took like, what is it, 12 minutes it's filming at the top, so fast. I was obviously talking, so could have taken a little bit shorter, but I'm gonna be taking it all off anyways to have like a fresh canvas for my evening look. Little spot. I feel like this is just like a little talk show, and I'm your host, L Pearls. The Devlin sent like the cutest little card, a little dessert tray with chocolate and fruit. Am I pointing to it? You can see it over there. And they gave me this card. How cool is that? First of all, it's like a pop-up of the hotel, and it's basically like I hope you enjoyed your event last night, and tonight there's a cocktail on us to get you started, and it's a gorgeous bottle with like a little glass I'll show you later, and then this really pretty luggage tag, and it has the Devlin Dublin engraved on it. I went and picked up some things. I wasn't planning on getting anything, but I had like a whole day to kill. Then I went into Victoria's Secret, and they're having a sale, and there's no Victoria's Secret up north, and I would never ever advise or even recommend, unless you for sure know your size at that store, buying bras online, because I feel like every style is even a different fit. Because I have been on the hunt, and you guys know I've been on the hunt forever for a strapless bra that actually stays in place. I don't want to push up, I just want something that keeps them maybe like a little bit higher than they are, but like just in place, you know, and doesn't like push them down, because I've tried on ones that like push them down and then I have like belly rolls. I got this one, which I love. It was in the sale. It's like 18 euro. I don't know what the name of this one is called. I don't think it has a name, but absolutely love it. There's no padding, it's just underwire, but it's very, very like thin material, so it just like, again, keeps them in place. I like a fuller cup, just, you know, after having a baby there's just a lot of loose skin, so just keeps them in place, which I love. And then I found a strapless bra that I absolutely love, but I'm glad I tried it on, because my normal size there just didn't fit right. I had to go up a cup, and it just sat a lot nicer, so glad I tried it on. It does come with straps, so I can wear it as a normal bra too. It's multi-purpose obviously, but the strapless, it looks massive, guys. My boobs are not that big. So good. I am so pleased with it. Obviously get nude, it's gonna go with everything. I don't really wear black bras that much. If I look in my blah wardrobe, my bra wardrobe. This one was full price, but I've been looking everywhere, and it's a bra that I can wear every day as well as a strapless moment, so very happy I found those. Honestly, I had just a really chill day. I walked so much. I got 15,000 steps, so I basically did my run. A brisk walk. I did a lot of walking. I went to House Dublin for a drink. I had an how do you say Aperol spritz? And then I also went to, you'll see footage from before, for breakfast. What was it called again? It was really good though. Pancakes are good. It was at the Westbury Hotel. It's like a little restaurant underneath it. Really good. Lots of great options and healthy options. Like those pancakes were like a healthy pancake. The mix was healthy, and it was cooked in coconut oil and all that agave syrup and berries and walnuts. It was divine. So good. Highly recommend. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and film the process of getting ready, but I'm gonna do that in a separate video, so you'll see the final effect. This vlog would be way too long if I filmed the whole entire process in this, but I'll post it so that it's close enough to watching this. Oh, and also I got this cardigan. It's like a tie cardigan. Love that. At H&M for €6.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no.
viral summer in Dublin.
Tell us a little bit about the Flawless Filter body makeup. Tell us about it, where did it come from, where was the whole idea, and is it available now? Can they get it? What's happening?
So it's available now in all your local pharmacies and Boots Ireland now, of course. And also, like, I did not wake up like this morning. And then, when you're finished with that, you come in with the bronzer for a bit of the bling bling.
Ryan, come back! You go into your favorite shop. You go get your farmer shirt. That's Emma's boyfriend. Did not want to be on the vlog. We're at ZZ, my favorite, taking the girls out for some food. The event. Oh!
Tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest things.
I'm back at the Devlin, a little out of breath. Emma and her boyfriend Ryan, is it Ryan? Emma, oh my gosh, yeah, Ryan, drove me home after ZZ, which is really kind. Got a pizza to go. Just going all out tonight because back on the health kick tomorrow. Had a lot of fun at the event. I did take one of these bad boys home, the Flawless Filter body makeup. Very excited to try that. I'm exhausted. I'm debating a shower tonight, but I might just take one in the morning so I feel refreshed. For some reason, they gave me another set of what I had before the event. Don't know if they messed up the order, but it was so good, so I don't really mind. Patty, be thankful you're not here. I'm definitely lactose intolerant for sure. Yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Guys, 4th day hair curls, waves. That messy look is in, right? Lipstick, also didn't touch it up once. It's a good little trio. If you watched I filmed this makeup look very quickly before the event tonight, so. Morning, everyone. I feel so refreshed after that shower. I don't think anything can refresh you more than a good rain shower in a hotel. It was magnificent. I'm just letting my skincare sink in before I do my quick everyday makeup, and then I'm gonna have a coffee and head out the door. 7:59. Pretty good for going to bed at 12:30. 12:30 is obviously not late for a lot of people, but for me, it is late. Hopefully I'm kind of missing traffic. It is a Friday. I want to leave at 9. I feel like that's a good time because people should be at work by then. Hopefully miss that Dublin traffic. Guess we'll find out. I'm back with my people. My people. All of you want to say hi? No. Okay. What about hello? Oh, okay. No. We're in Port Stewart. We're gonna have some family time. Thanks for watching my mama's 2 days away from these guys. I feel like I have a glow.
Hey.
See you soon.